Once you have a transcription account, you can begin transcribing the papers of the War Department. For more on creating an account, logging in, and navigating the transcription view, see our video Transcribing the Papers of the War Department, Part 1. Before you start transcribing, navigate to the Project Guidelines in the main navigation menu. Here you will find some general tips and editorial guidelines to help with your transcription. It is a good idea to return to this page from time to time, or if you get stuck deciding how to format a particular transcription. Click on the Browse Documents page to return to select a document to transcribe. This view will provide you with basic information about the document's transcription status. First, you will see a thumbnail that can give you a hint as to the quality of the document, along with its title that can give you a sense of its content. Next, you will see the date of the last activity on that document. If it has never been worked on, this field will say Not Transcribed. The status will tell you if a document is in progress, meaning that a user is working on it but has not completed it, or new, meaning that this document has not yet been started. Finally, the percentage column will tell you how many pages have been completed out of the total number of pages in that document. Once you've chosen a document to transcribe, click on its thumbnail or the title to get started. This page will list the name of the document at the top, followed by a list of each media item or page available for transcription. Below this list, you'll see the description for the document. The notable person/group, notable location, and notable item/thing fields can be particularly helpful when trying to decipher difficult words or phrases. To begin transcribing, click on Transcribe next to the page where you'd like to begin. This will bring you directly to the transcription view, where you will have all the tools you need to begin your transcription. On the left is the image viewer, where the document will appear, and on the right is the text editor, where you will enter your transcription. The toolbar in the image viewer has a number of options to adjust your view of the item, including zoom functions, rotation functions, and a reset button to bring you back to the original view. You can also use your cursor to move the document around in the viewer. If you find you need more space to view the image, click on Go Full Screen, which will display only the image viewer and the transcription field. Now you can begin to type your transcription. The toolbar in the text field contains a number of options that might be useful to format your transcription, and you can add additional HTML tags as needed. See the project guidelines for more on formatting. You can start by transcribing as much or as little of a document as you like. If you find a word that's difficult to decipher, we ask that you use brackets and type the word undecipherable between them. Once you're ready to save the work that you've done so far, you can click out of the full screen view by clicking the X. You won't lose any of your work toggling between full and regular views. Use the Summarize Your Changes field to describe the changes that you are saving. If you have completely finished transcribing this page, click the Mark this revision as complete checkbox before clicking Save. However, I still have a lot more to transcribe, so I'll leave it unchecked. If you'd like to go back to this transcription to keep working, you can click on the Track Media button to add this page to your watch list and easily return to it later. Once you're finished, be sure to click Save. On this page, you should now be able to see any saved transcription text. These are the basics of using the transcription editor. For other features, consult the documentation or view the video Transcribing the Papers of the War Department, Part 3 to learn more about the Notes section.